Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to walk you through our 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. Starting off on the aft end of the boat, you have a really nice, large, aft-facing lounge seat. It does have built-in backrests with multiple locking positions. We have cup holders on both sides, a Fusion stereo remote on the port side, along with a charging port for your devices. Along the transom and throughout the boat, we do have SeaDeck equipped on the floor. And off to the port side, we do have a manual boarding step that you can deploy. It makes it easy to get in and out of the boat when you're beached or anchored. The boat is powered by twin 350 Verados. They're inline 6-cylinder supercharged motors from Mercury. Very quiet, both at running speed and at idle. As we enter the cockpit, we have a built-in cooler or storage area. Freshwater, fender pros or quick disconnects for your fenders when docked. Really large L-shaped settee in the cockpit with a fiberglass pedestal table. We do have a powered aft sunshade, in addition to a convertible opening built into the hardtop. As you can see, we've got speakers throughout the boat, including built into the hardtop. Really nice outdoor kitchen here, grill, wet bar sink, along with a refrigerator. And storage beneath with a wastebasket. On the starboard side seat, we have dedicated storage for an igloo cooler, a large subwoofer beneath the settee, storage all throughout that seating area. In addition, the aft end also has a powered garage hatch to access your batteries, but also serve as storage as well. The observer seat on the port side rotates to face inward towards the cockpit, great for socializing. And when you're running, just rotate it around, and you've got a really nice, large, double-wide seat for the observer. Same thing over here at the helm. You've got an adjustable bolster, nice angled footrest, twin touch screens from Sinrad. We do have digital throttle and shift from Mercury. This is a joystick boat, in addition to your skyhook and autopilot features from Mercury. All digital C-zone switching at the helm, and a touchscreen Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Over to the port side, large oversized head on this boat with an overboard discharge, including a sink. Got more storage here and charging ports for your devices. Access to your electrical panel is here on the starboard console. And then up in the bow, more storage in the deck. Plenty of cup holders, 3 on each side, speakers, leather-wrapped handrails, but an abundance of storage here in the bow on both sides. So everything you need for either a long weekend or a day at the beach, you can fit in the 310 SLX throughout the boat. The bow seating also has adjustable armrests for your passengers, but you can see plenty of lounge space, even for people well over 6 feet tall. Further forward, we do have another freshwater sprayer, along with a windlass anchor that is remote controlled. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at marinemax.com. And always check out our store's Facebook page for new boat arrivals and our latest events. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.